Hello everyone, Marco Chiappetta here for Hot Hardware Behind the Camera, and today we've got a quick hands-on look at Google's brand new Pixel 10a. The Pixel A series has consistently delivered strong value, and with the 10a, Google is once again trying to blur the line between mid-range and premium devices. So the question is, does this new model keep that momentum going, especially with increasingly strong competition in the $400 to $600 segment? Let's dig in. Right out of the gate, the Pixel 10a looks unmistakably like its predecessors, but with some modern updates. Google sticks with its clean, minimalist aesthetic and signature camera bar across the rear, but on the Pixel 10a, the camera pod is flush to the body of the phone. The build quality feels solid in the hand, there's no creaks and no flex, and while you're not getting ultra premium materials like polished stainless steel, the Pixel 10 doesn't feel budget either. The matte finish is understated and practical, it resists fingerprints well, and ergonomically this is a comfortable phone to use one-handed. It feels balanced, and the edges aren't overly sharp or slippery. In typical fashion, it's subtle but not flashy, but the Pixel 10a has a refined, cohesive look. Up front, we're looking at a bright, vibrant POLED 60 to 120 Hz panel. Colors pop without being oversaturated, and viewing angles are great. Overall clarity is excellent too, especially for the price point. Google continues to tune its displays well, and that's important because in this class, you'll find some panels that may have solid specs, but fall short in real-world usage. The Pixel 10a's display holds up nicely for streaming, gaming, and general productivity. It's not an ultra-high-end 144 Hz flagship panel, but it doesn't need to be. For a $499 phone, this screen is competitive and more than serviceable. Under the hood, the Pixel 10a leverages Google's Tensor G4 with Titan M2 security coprocessor, which continues the company's AI-forward strategy. There's also 8 GB of RAM on board, all powered by a 51 mAh battery that offers up to 30 hours of battery life. With everyday use in apps, the phone feels snappy, app launches are quick, multitasking is smooth, and UI navigation is fluid. Google's software optimizations remain one of the Pixel line's strongest differentiators. Even though benchmark numbers don't dominate the charts, real-world responsiveness is great on the Pixel 10a. That said, heavy gamers or power users pushing sustained workloads can find more horsepower elsewhere in this segment, but for mainstream users, which is clearly the target here, performance won't be an issue. And of course, we have to talk about the cameras. The Google Pixel 10a features a dual rear camera system, a 48 megapixel wide-angle camera with f1.7 aperture and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide with f2.2 aperture with super res zoom up to 8x. There's also a 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front with an f2.2 aperture. Google's computational photography remains a defining strength. The Pixel 10a delivers sharp, well-exposed shots. Skin tones look natural, detail is impressive, and low-light performance continues to punch above its weight. In many scenarios, the results will rival phones that cost significantly more. That's been a key selling point for Pixel A devices for years, and it still is with the 10a. Video performance is solid as well, with good stabilization and color consistency, though it may not quite match the absolute best flagship tier video systems on the market. Still, in the sub $500 category, this is one of the stronger camera packages available. Running Google's clean version of Android with the latest AI-powered features, the Pixel 10a benefits from tight integration and timely software updates. Features like AI-assisted editing, smart call handling, and contextual on-device processing are not just gimmicks, but tools that actually enhance everyday usage. And long-term software support continues to be a major selling point. In this price range, extended update commitments matter. At $499 with pre-orders now live, the Pixel 10a steps directly into a competitive mid-range smartphone market. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17e, Samsung's Galaxy A series devices, and aggressive Android competitors all occupy similar price territory. Where the 10A differentiates itself is in software polish, AI features, and camera performance. Where competitors may counter is in raw performance or hardware extras. So it really comes down to priorities. If you want a clean Android experience, strong imaging, and long-term updates, the Pixel 10a makes a compelling case. If you're chasing maximum gaming or benchmark performance or premium build materials above all else, you may want to see what the competition has to offer. In my short time using the Pixel 10a, it seems like Google refined a proven formula rather than reinvented it. And that's not a bad thing. At $499, the Pixel 10a is competitively priced, thoughtfully designed, and well balanced. It may not be the flashiest device in the room, but it doesn't need to be. We'll have full benchmarks and a deeper analysis soon at hothardware.com, so stay tuned for that. Once again, I'm Marco Chiappetta. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful or interesting, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.